Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use data validation in Excel. This powerful feature helps maintain data integrity by restricting the type of data or values that users can enter into a cell. It's incredibly useful for ensuring accuracy and consistency across your spreadsheets, saving you time and effort in correcting errors later on. We'll cover everything from setting up basic rules to customizing messages. To begin, select the cell or range of cells where you want to apply your validation rules. Then, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon and click on the Data Validation button. In the dialog box that appears, you'll find the Settings tab. Here, you can choose from various validation criteria, such as allowing only whole numbers, decimals, dates, or even creating a drop-down list from a specified range. Enhance user experience by adding helpful input messages. These messages appear when a user selects a validated cell, guiding them on what to enter. Furthermore, you can set up error alerts for when invalid data is entered. There are 3 styles. Stop prevents entry, warning alerts but allows entry, and information simply informs the user. This helps maintain data quality effectively. Data validation has many practical uses. For instance, you can create dynamic drop-down lists for forms, ensuring users select from predefined options. It's excellent for maintaining consistency in data entry, like ensuring all dates are within a specific range. Remember, you can easily circle invalid data to spot errors quickly and clear validation rules if they are no longer required for your spreadsheet's needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.